Okay, good morning students. So welcome to another day of our lesson. This is a recorded class and still we are on module number 4, lesson number 1, division of polynomials. So today we will be learning about the rules on how to divide polynomials. So let's begin first with polynomial by monomial. When you say polynomial, it is there are more than 2 to 3 terms or 2 or more terms rather. So pag monomial po, ibig sabihin isang term lang po yung ginamit. So to divide a polynomial by monomial, simply divide each term of the polynomial by the given divisor. Example. Okay, we have this given number, 12x fourth minus 16x cubed plus 8x squared divided by 4x squared. In this case, you're going to copy first the polynomial, 12x raised to the power of 4 minus 16x raised to the power of 3 plus 8x raised to the power of 2. And we are going to divide each of them by 4x squared, and 4x squared. Okay, as you could still remember, when you divide monomials with exponents, just subtract the exponent. For example, 12 divided by 4, that's 3. Then subtract 4 minus 2, magiging 2 na lang siya dito. Then 16 divided by 4 is 4. Then x cubed, x2, x squared rather, 3 minus 2, that is x raised to the power of 1 or simply invisible 1. Then plus 8 divided by 4, that is 2. X squared divided by x squared, that is equivalent to 0. So 0, wala na pong ilalagay na x. And that is now the answer. And the rule, ulitin ko yung rule. Paano naging x squared? Paano naging x squared yan siya? So, yung x fourth dito, isubtract sa squared dyan. Okay? So, kaya siya naging 2. Yung cube naman dito, isubtract sa 2, kaya siya naging invisible 1 dito. Itong x squared at saka x squared, isubtract, naging 0. So, 0, wala na siyang x. Okay, that is an example of a polynomial by monomial. Okay, let's have this polynomial by a polynomial with more than one term. So, how are we going to divide this one? Take a look at this example. We have x squared minus 3x minus 10, and we are going to divide that one by x plus 2 rather. So, in this case, you're going to write x squared minus 3x minus 10, then divided by x plus 2. So, in this case, when you are going to divide, how many um, first is you think of a number, you think of a variable na kapag i-multiply mo kay x, ang sagot, x squared. So that it would be x. Because x times x is equal to x squared. And x times 2, that is equivalent to 2x plus 2x. Then you are going to subtract that one. X squared minus x squared, that becomes 0. Okay, negative 3 minus 2, negative, negative. So, ang utang, dinagdagan ng utang, magiging 5 na siya. Then, 5x, yan na yung utang mo na bago. Negative 5x. Then, you bring down minus 10. Next, think of a number again that if you're going to multiply to x, the answer is negative 5x. So, that is minus 5. So, minus 5 or negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Then, negative 5 times 2, that is negative 10. And if you are going to subtract this one, the answer is 0. Okay? So, therefore, the answer here is x minus 5. And that is how easy to divide polynomial by a polynomial. Okay, let's have another example. So, again, for the repetition of this lesson, ulitin ko. So, ulitin natin ha, para makuha ninyo. So, we have x plus 2 as our given, and x squared minus 3x minus 10. How are we going to solve this again? First is you're going to think of a number na kapag i-multiply mo dito kay x, the answer is x squared. So that is equivalent to x also. X times x is equal to x squared. Then x times 2, that is equivalent to 2x. Then, you are going to subtract that 1. X squared, magiging 0. Bakit? X squared minus x squared is 0. Negative 3x, then 2x. Itong positive dito, mawawala na siya kasi minus yung ginamit dito. So, negative 3 and negative 2, that is negative 5. Then, the variable is x. Again, think of a number na kapag i-multiply mo kay x, magiging negative 5x. That is negative 5. So, negative 5 times x is negative 5x. And, bring down pala minus 10 dito. Then, negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. And that is equivalent to 0. And that is how easy to divide polynomial. What about this one? We have the given the area of a parallelogram is 8x squared plus 10x minus 3. If its base is 2x plus 3, what is the height? Again, the area of a parallelogram is 8x squared plus 10x minus 3. If its base is 2x plus 3, what is the height? So we all know that the formula of area of a parallelogram is 1/2 base times, no, area is equals to base times height. And we all know that the formula is area is equals to base times height. And since we are looking for the height, what is the height? Therefore, we are going to divide it by b divided by b. So, cancelled. Height is equals to area over b. Okay, or base. So, if we are going to simplify this further, excuse me, we have the given 8x squared plus 10x plus minus 3 over base, which is 2x plus 3. That is now our height. And how are we going to simplify this one? So let's have this solution. 8x squared plus 10x minus 3 and divided by 2x plus 3. Now, in this case, I would like you to think of a number wherein you are going to solve, wherein you are going to have 8x squared as the answer. So, 2x, that is 4x. So, let's have it, 4x. So, 4 times 2, that is 8, tama. X times x, that is x squared, tama. So, 8x squared, pag i-subtract natin, magiging 0. And 4x times 3, that is 12x. So, subtract natin 10 minus 12, that is negative 2x. So, bring down minus 3. Then again, think of a number that the answer would be negative 2x. That would be negative 1. Okay, negative 1. Negative 1 times 2x, that is negative 2x. Then you're going to subtract it. It became 0. Then negative 1 times 3, that is negative 3. And you subtract it, it became 0. So the answer here is 4x minus 1. Okay, this is very easy. And this is our lesson about dividing polynomials by a polynomials. Okay, this ends our lesson. Wala po tayong quiz dito. I just would like to share na this is how to the process of solving polynomial by a polynomial in a division pattern. Okay, so goodbye everyone. Thank you and God bless. Please make your portfolio about this.